pee. I'm getting out. I was taking a bile like 2 days. Oh my god! It wasn't pee. What? It wasn't pee. What was it?
Do you smell that?
Oh my god!
This room is too small to be horsing around in. If you're going to horse, go downstairs in the basement.
I went to the bathroom.
Is it that bad?
Yeah, it was from me.
Oh.
I did not get on this. It was just there, and it makes me mad that it's messed up.
Bring it out.
Okay.
Don't run into anything. The door won't open all the way. Do you see?
Oh my god. Wow. That was funny. Oh my god.
I plan on my New Year's Eve being quiet.